Good morning. Is the audio working correctly? Yes, I'm not sure I have the correct microphone. It does not. I'm sure about that. Maybe yes. Even yesterday I had the right, not the right. By the way, we are 2,500, so great. But yeah, guys, we had an amazing read this morning of NQ, and I've seen it there. I didn't take it during the London session. Just need some confidence on these kind of trades. But it's okay. It's beautiful just to read it, right? I think that's the most important thing. What we had a beautiful resistance, support. You see it here. Become resistance, become support. A lot of wicks around this area. So if there are wicks, means that this area is getting rejected, even rejected here. So what happened here is that we didn't close anything above. So on our chart, we didn't have any confirmation that this level was still strong. And after we wicked out even lower, so all these people were buying for a push higher, getting stopped out again, and we had the nice closure above the level. That was a beautiful signal there for a continuation. What the heck? For a continuation higher. That was a beautiful trade that even give you even more than one to 2 risk reward if you were aiming for these highs. Was even more than 1 to 2. Even if you looked to close anywhere when a candle closes lower, you will have even a better risk reward. That was a beautiful trade. Did not take it. There was a London session. So that is NQ. What we are going to look at NQ is probably just continuation higher. And on a continuation higher, we need to see levels getting break and hold. So for example, let's say, this is like mostly the next level we have to look. If we see something like coming lower, rejecting, faking out some people, and then we might look for longs. That's the idea, that's the plan. We will figure it out if it's gonna happen. So we're gonna leave it there, and hopefully we're gonna see something happening in MQ, but for the moment, MQ does not give me any reason to take a trade right now. So we're gonna leave it there. Gold we just sold off during the morning. Really, yesterday we took this beautiful short, and during this morning it continued to go lower, and we've taken previous weekly lows. We've taken daily lows, crazy daily candles. We've taken even these ones. We're pushing strong. So for me, looking for longs makes it harder. Looking at the chart, how we're definitely going lower. I'm looking for shorts, and if we come back and use probably this area of level, you can see it where it was we wicked before again, and we probably faked out some people that probably they will try to go long over that and try to grab again some lows. Maybe that's an idea. It's a bit hard, I will say. Weekly support, where is right now it's bouncing. No, daily support, sorry. So that's going to be a little bit of a bit hard trade. Hello, Mohammed, Paul, Redwan, Suraj. So it's a bit of a complicated situation right now, to be honest. It's going to be a little bit of a waiting time until I see something that makes sense. Until then, it's a little bit hard. Even this, it's a bit too aggressive to even think about shorting this. No, but the only things maybe is if you get a closer below and shorting until here, closing. But still, I'm gonna remove the level just to don't have any bad ideas. Hello, Kelvin. So for the moment, not much from the market. The only things I'm looking is waiting to see something happening that makes for me sense to trade in gold or NQ. Right now, the best trades were in London, and I did not take them, so I have to accept that. This beautiful long in gold was just too sexy, guys. This was too sexy. Long here was too sexy. Was too sexy here. Nothing to say about this beautiful long up to these highs. That was crazy beautiful. Support. We liquidate the lows and we closed above the level. That's crazy sexy. Even if you were like looking for more like as a scalp, oh my god. Oh, sorry guys. Even if you were aggressive, like when Nick was speaking, even taking this first 5 minutes closing here, if you wanted, I would have been insane. But it is like huge high risk reward, making it high riskier because a closing 1 hour candle above the level gives more confirmation than this one, because this level was already rejected different times. So aiming for the final breakout, it's definitely a lot of time in there. Let's see what happens here. For this NQ to make it interesting for me, I need some loss to be taken out. And right now it's not happening there, so we're gonna leave it there. Good morning, Abdel. Good morning, guys. Yeah, no trades for me this morning, even there was opportunity. There was opportunity. Even with one contract, let's see, with one contract, this would have been like already $112. So risking the $300 to the lows, make it 5 contracts, risking this $300 to the lows, 322, 300, that's 520, even more. What I'm saying, it was more than 1 to 2 risk reward. Depends where the 1 hour closed. The 1 hour closed here. Yeah, that makes it almost $252 risk. Yeah. So when flying in NQ, we're gonna leave it there, guys. Missing, it's not, we're not missing anything. So we're gonna leave it there. And as well, we're gonna figure it out. If gold give us something, then I will be happy to look at gold. If not, we're gonna leave it until we define something that makes sense. There is no need to rush. We're gonna wait. NQ right now is coming back a little bit. There's this, look at this area of here. It's only 5 minutes, so it's a bit not the best, but we have this kind of area that right now is finding us a support. It was resistance, or support here. We're gonna go to the 15-minute chart to have maybe just slightly better. I would love to see this level to be taken out, I guess. These lows, but let's see. How are you there, guys? What are you looking at right now on the charts? Because for me, I don't see anything. Morning, Andy. Morning. Thank you. Just flying away, guys. There is no rush to. There is no FOMO on these things. Don't get scared. Don't get scared when the moment you take a trade and there is a setup and you have a correct risk, and that's all. You have done the right job as a trader, right? You have taken the setup, you have taken the right risk, and then you apply it. Yeah, same for me. I'm looking just at this gold if it wants to go even lower, and I'm looking at that 1 hour candle that looks quite beautiful, but yeah, I'm looking at the 1 hour candle in gold to see if something makes sense. It makes me hard for me to trade the 5-minute chart on these things. See, right now we are definitely right now rejecting. We grabbed all these highs here, these highs here, but not an easy one. Maybe a nice 15 minutes closure will be better to see. Yeah, I agree with that, Andy. Bullshit trades are the one that kills our balance. Bullshit trades kill our balance. They've done it last week. They killed my balance over. This was a trade that break even was fine. This was double loss on a same trade. Like this was FOMO. I'm such an idiot in this trade. Here, instead of losing $250, I lost 500. Break even. This one I had the right idea. Then I was like, no, don't take it. AMSA, London. Bam, I went to the right direction. Here I had the right direction, but I had to get away from work, unfortunately. But that was a really quick 200 ticks there. Let's see on this. I will be very aggressive to take a short on these first 5 minutes. 80. If I risk $88 to aim for these lows, at least here. I'm looking at it, but I still have 1 minute and 15 seconds for this 5 minutes candle to close. That's kind of aggressive, but I'm liking that 1 hour can turn back and fake out people. See, that's why I like right now seeing some closure before taking any action. We have as well news today at 10 a.m. If the only things I'm thinking is to give myself exposure with one contract on this 5 minutes candle closing. Yeah, 6 seconds. I'm gonna give myself exposure on this short. Stop loss will be forced above these highs. We would aim at least for this low. And if the 50 minutes candle confirms the closure, we might add, but I give myself just an exposure to this short. Using the 5 minute chart, that's that's why it's a bit aggressive. So losing here will be $100. NQ is nothing interesting in NQ right now. Literally, we're just skyrocketing and just play. Look at this pump of 43 points. If NQ is coming back, let's see for gold. Would be nice to see a 50 minutes closure in 10 minutes, but we will look into it. Even the 1 hour candle will be nice to see it closing red. And the 1 hour candle is here. So if we reverse this candle, oh my God. Settings, 1 hour, 1 hour opening. That will be nice confirmation of this red candle that we have right now. A 1 hour candle that is something like this. So if we fake out, this is the fake out, and this candle wants back and reverse lower, then will be even a more confirmation. But I use the 5 minutes as exposure for the market, but I might get wrecked out by this, but we'll figure it out soon. We'll figure it out soon. $100 loss, it's not a bad loss. Especially closing below this level on this 5 minute chart. Let's see how he wants to do. If this candle reverses to red on this 5 minute, I might add to this position in the same entry. I'm gonna put the contract there. Retesting, and if he comes back and reverse, I'm happy to add. Okay. We might add to the position. I'm short with 2 contracts. Right now, the loss will be $200. This retest and coming back was interesting for me. Let's see if I'm gonna get screwed or not. Yeah, let it hit profit target this time. I like your point, Nick. I'm not gonna touch them this time. Hopefully we get them hit. It would be nice to get some selling pressure. Come on. 10 seconds for this 5 minutes candle to close. Closing with a nice, will be nice to close red in this 5 minutes. Oh, that's beautiful. Come on. That's a nice closing with a nice wick above. Let's say, let's get it. Let's get this continuation lower. I need my water and I don't know where it is, my water. I need to fill my bottle of water. I'm coming back. 1 second. I need to just I mean, I have some water here, but I need to fill my. I'm coming back. 1 second. I'm back. Back. Where is Anta? My face is gone. I'm here, guys. Can we get this? Oh, that's beautiful sell-off, guys. Come on. Can we get this very quick? It's getting some volume there. Look at that candle moving quick. Very quick candle they're moving right now. This 15 minutes is gonna be so sexy, by the way. This 15 minutes is gonna be so sexy if we close that. Close that red. That's a beautiful 15 minutes candle after we liquidated these highs here and this level. That will be amazing. 3 more minutes. You can see it here lower. Can you see it? Now, yes. Now you can see it a bit more. Here, 3 minutes. This is another beautiful trade. This kind of level here, it can be the little bit the problematic, I would say, on these 15 minutes. 1 hour opening is here. This hour opening, you see it. I mark it here lower. We'll figure it out, but for the moment, let's see. Hopefully, we can get it. In my post, yeah, it was a strategic one, Paul. It was a strategic one for Twitter. Yes, I posted. I was like, this is gonna repost because Patrick reposts people. So I was like, let me just post him in a friendly way that he does not feel attacked. I don't want to get him attacked. I don't want that influencer attacks. So I reposted in a friendly way, and let's see. Oh my God, this is getting a horrible 5 minutes candle here, but we need mostly the 50 minutes candle closing lower this level. That's mostly the most important things. It's crazy. He reached 600 contracts or more. It was crazy because 600 contracts, even if you have, let me get the calculator. I mean, 600 contracts 600 contracts be divided by 20 accounts. Let's say you had 20 accounts, that's 30 minis each one. Then it's not with Apex, I'm gonna say. It's probably with another prop firm. Because with 30 contracts, you need to be with a 300K account, and you need to have a lot of, already a lot of drawdown to allow yourself to do that. So if he was using a prop firm, it was not Apex for my guessing. So let's see right now, 15 minutes candle closing in 36 seconds. An interesting week here, but it's the same as yesterday. If we go back to yesterday, we shorted here, we had a huge week, we come back, but we were still below the level. So we didn't need to move our stop loss to break even. We came back and retested this level before going short again. So same idea today. I'm not gonna move my stop loss to break even until we break our level above. The only things, because this can be retested, this area can be retested here. It's, yeah, there is no need to move a stop loss to break even if retests are still in the game. 50 minutes candle closing right now there. Right now we close the 50 minutes candle, and it's yeah, it's getting hopefully a nice interesting short, but we're gonna keep it there. I'm gonna keep the 50-minute chart. It's giving me more relaxing views. I'm short. When you see red here, it means I'm short. When you see it green, it means I'm long. I mean, gold has had a huge, insane run in the previous freaking 6 months. This is gold. Oh my god. Uninstall my software. Look at this gold, guys, in the last 6 months. This is 6 months of gold. Crazy. Freaking crazy. Absolutely insane. We had with one contract, with one micro contract in gold, you will be up. One micro contract is $11,000. One micro contract. Insanity there. My trade is gone against me. So let's see. A 5 minutes closure above the level, I will be out odds now. Right now it's pumping. A 5 minutes closure above this level, I'm out. A hard stop loss will be here. So I'm gonna leave it there. If it wants to stop me out, it is what it is. 10 a.m. news as well. I do remember Nick what said yesterday, consumer confidence at 10 a.m. I was a beautiful 15-minute candle closing here. So honestly, this short I would have taken it even with the 50 minutes candle closing. So even with the 50 minutes candle closing, I would have taken this short. So even if it stopped me out right now, yeah, it is what it is. It was a beautiful short, to be honest. Stop me out and leave me alone. Ooh, stop me out. It's fighting them right now that freaking 2200, 22 what? 22 yesterday, New York time, 22 somewhere here. Here, it's 20, this one? That's the best for me. No, not even here. I'm looking. A nice setup, 50-minute chart. Let me go to the 50-minute chart. Oh, okay. No, okay. Maybe I see it now. 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Eastern time, you mean? Here, this one. That's beautiful. Because we are in this support and resistance. Yeah, I think that is mostly, I think that's why, maybe that's what does not have this trade compared to this one. It does not have a real support and resistance trade. I'm trading against these things, there's little support, resistance, resistance, but this one, it had it. This one had it. It was these weeks below. So all these weeks, that was a big level. So coming to liquidate all these people. Yeah, I agree with that. No, I'm fine with this trade. It's gonna be a beautiful mentorship for today because I have the call with Aaron. That's gonna be a nice one to call. I'm gonna take a screenshot of it, save it. Yeah, that's gonna be a nice one to take. Stop. I'm gonna flatten my position, guys. I'm out. I forgot. I even lost $24 there. 5 minutes closing above. I'm out. No, I got stopped out right now. Hard stop loss was above. 5 minutes closing was here. I just missed it for 30 seconds. So I missed $26 there. Oh, one position did not close. That's why it's around $190. Freaking Rithmic and Quant Tower here. That's beautiful. I could have done a little bit better. I got distracted for a little bit. We didn't miss anything that much. We missed $30 on a loss. I mean, it could have been 140 instead of 170, but that's fine. A beautiful cut before the loss instead of getting it until the highs. So we're gonna right now leave it there until we see something that is more clear. Beautiful setup. I'm happy with it. I got stopped out. This was the trade idea, and the stop out would have been here. And the 5 minutes closing, and the profit was here. Great trade. Great trade. I will say great. Definitely maybe did not have a bigger support idea like the previous one here. We were speaking with Nick. Or even here. Also, this one is the one we took yesterday, is the fact that we had these lows and support resistance, and the fact that we came back taking previous test highs. That shows a beautiful like breaker retest, liquidity grab of the first people that were shorting that level, and there was the real continuation afterwards. Same things here, I guess. This is the same things Nick said. People that were for shorting first, never grab these lows, come back, grab them high, boom, short. I was beautiful short at 10 p.m. I was a beautiful short to take. This one does not have that, so I'm gonna say that this is mostly the problem of this trade. If I have to like evaluate and learn from it, I would say that this is the only things that this trade is missing, is the fact that it does not have a real support and resistance on that level I took. So that's a good lesson, but overall I'm happy with this trade. It does not need that. It helps, I think. It does help. I mean, it doesn't mean that it's you can take any probably fake out as well here. It does not need it. It will still continue lower, but I think it will help to have a better move and a higher probability, for my point, if you're closer to a support and resistance. Yeah, I mean, I agree. It doesn't mean that I'm gonna follow only that. I'm gonna say just higher probability. Yeah, no, I like my trade, huh? I like my trade. No, it's not about worry. I'm not worried. I evaluate what I did, what I saw, what could be done better, but I'm not worried. I think I've done very well. I executed very well. Stopped out very well about the distraction. $30 missed there, but overall, I'm very happy with this trade. The advanced stopped out was great. I would have been stopped out full loss at $200. Instead, it's 170. Would have been 140, but overall, I'm very happy with this trade. 1 hour candle closing in 5 minutes. News in 5 minutes. Let's move to MNQ to see what's happening in MNQ. We're coming lower. Right now, we grab these people here. Yeah, actual situation here, it's not that clear, to be honest. Coming lower, and we have news in 5 minutes and 5 minutes and 30 seconds. So we're gonna leave it there until news comes out. If you're new guys here, the only things I sponsor is Apex, 80% off, code Hamza. That's my name. For the rest, welcome to the channel if you're new, and we wait to see if we get another setup or something interesting for us. For the moment, nope. We're waiting. Interesting. I believe the only things that will make me long in NQ is we close above this area here. Become resistance, become support. Now we grab something lower. If we close strong, we can aim again for the highs. But I'm just waiting to see the news coming in 4 minutes. But this will be like an idea. Oh, okay. Okay. That was a nice spike if you were long. That happened very quick. If you were long, you are happy. If you were short, you're not. Yeah, you were long. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. Did you long at 47? I see your idea. I'm gonna explain it. Yeah, I see your idea. Your support is here. Your support is here. And your trend line, something like this, and you take it above the level, above this break. I'm trying to understand, but it seems like that's what you did. Nice. Oh my god, my goodness, that was a good trade. I was short and not happy, but still green on the day. At least you're still green. That's good. You got way earlier, right? I saw that you came to the at the break of the little candle below, right? I wouldn't ask myself why. I guess sometimes on this market. Yeah, my 3 minutes is different. This 3 minutes is different. That's kind of weird. Should not be if it's you're trading future. No cares. It's a 2 months in by trading personal capital and down only 2% holding tight. That 2% is very good if you only own your personal money. Yeah, as well through the stream. Yeah, the 100%. Only 2% down in your personal. How long have you been trading? If it's only 2 months, I mean, it's even better. If you're trading like 4 years and now you move to personal money, good anyway. Doesn't matter. 2% is very good. "30 seconds. We're fighting this level right now. Let's see how it evolves in 70 seconds. We might take a long. I'm just more like careful on the news side. I wanna trade. If the news comes out and it's like nothing special, I can take a long. Okay, it seems nothing special. I'm gonna take a long there. Stop loss, hard stop loss below here at the lows, and take profit will be at the highs. Yeah, I believe. Yeah, Nick. Yeah, that's a good point, Nick. That's a really good point. Oh, that's a good point, Nick. Best setup in personal and B and C sometimes in B and C sometimes in Apex all the time. Okay, I like that. I like that diversification. Let's see if I'm gonna get screwed by this long. This will be as well my last trade because I'm not gonna overtrade. The market is like that. But I like this long idea, closing above. We didn't take the highs with this spike. The highs are still here, so I'm gonna keep it. I will be here doing the live stream. Will I take trades? We'll see. We'll figure it out, depending on what happen. But non-cares is non-cares is because your name is different. I thought you were a new guy, but man, you've been here for a long time. The name was different. Hedge funds and markets have access to news earlier. It should not be legally. It should not be. Yeah, like Nick said, it was just released a few seconds earlier. So Nick, this time you got lucky on your side. Yesterday you got unlucky on your opening, but hopefully this today it paid back. Can we get a nice push right now from this market? Give us a nice spike above. I'm trading this 5 minutes level there at 50, 60. If we close below this area on the 5-minute chart, this area here, I'm gonna call myself out. This area. We see some closing of the 5 minutes candle lower, I'm out. And I'm done on the day. Man, this market has been a crypto market for sure. How is the crypto market going? Because I'm getting destroyed from it. Today is slightly green, over 10%, 36, 50. Yeah. Mostly green today, but let's see. How many points is my stop loss? My stop loss is 36 points. So I'm losing $300. My hard stop loss. Any closer below, I will be out. Yeah, it's no case. That's what I believe. It's really, for me, it's protect your downside. it's true that I've not been profitable this year as much as I would have loved. You know, last year was $20,000 in payouts, a bit more, and this year I was dreaming of 100,000. It did not happen, but in the good side, I didn't lose money. That's, I think, I protect myself on a difficult year, and I'm learning, and I'm improving, but my expense are still low. And that's what I think people do the mistake is most of the people do these mistakes of over leveraging their trades. But if you don't have consistency of making money, do not over leverage your losses, your expense. Hello, Calvin. Big thing I have seen in this weather edge you have the few weeks where it crashes, then a few weeks where it doesn't. You got to be able to sit back and chill at the right time. In whatever edge, yeah, I agree with that. Like, for example, if I have to be honest, for example, this morning were beautiful setups, the best setups today. Probably I could have been like more patient this afternoon opening and be like, leave it there and see. But that's a good lesson. In order to become, you need to trade small and slow. Yeah, that helps a lot. That helps a lot. Higher time frame helps a lot. Definitely helps a lot. Higher time frame. If you trade 1 minute, you go to the 1 minute. That's craziness, right? And I was trading this before, but you start to see many things in this 1 minute. Resistance, support is here. You know, so many things happening that you might get crazy around this. Any closure below that level, I'm out, guys. So hard stop loss is $300. Any closure below this, I'm out. But it has to be a closure of 5 minutes candle. Send my favorite chat card. Okay, let me see. That's interesting. Oh, it's the same. It's the same. I see it. A big candle with a wick above. Green, blue, red. No, it's the same. You have some, yeah, candle probably. Yeah, pop, pop. Same things. No, yeah. No, it is. It was weird if it was different. Then it would have been weird to have a different chart on a future market. Aye. No. I use time candle as well right now. I stopped using tick candle. Come on, market. Go highs. Go high. Give us a nice push. Get all-time highs. Grab these people that are trying to do short right now. And I'm out for today. I do like it. We grab these lows. We close strong above. I do like this trade. It's just a matter of time. And time, patience is the killer for most of us. But if we see a closing below, hard stop loss $300. So I'm risking $300 on this trade. Anywhere below closing is gonna be my loss. 100, 180, 80, whatever closing is gonna be, I'm gonna be out. So actual trade is this one. Actual trade is this one. Oops. With a hard stop loss. So it's less than 1-to-1 risk reward. But anytime it closes, I will be out. Yeah, crazy yesterday. Crazy. Yesterday was insane, man. Yesterday was this. And Patrick was shorting all here. shorting. And I believe he got the most lucky back because we saw it live that he got out here. He got out here and he was like, I'm done watching this chart. And he got out and was the perfect exit because he would have blew up 100%. That was the push afterwards. So we're coming back. Are we closing below that level? Not yet. We need this 5-minute candle closing below to kick me out from this trade. That was beautiful. Yeah, that was this trade this morning here, Nick, was amazing. I agree with that. This was the beauty thing is I was here. I was watching the market when I was here. I was here and I saw it. I was like, should I take it? Should not I take? Should I take it? Should not take it? Because I'm in London session is a bit different. It's giving me some more mental pressure because I'm not used to trade London. So I'm like, should I take it? Then it come here, and I was like, should I take it? Should not I take it? But I saw it. I saw the idea. And I was like, ah. Candle closing again above the level, so it's not outside for us yet. Yeah, for this setup, the most confident setup, it was my the hour closing here. I could have give it, a big stop loss because I had to go back to work. So if I had to put a hard stop loss, would have been here, $218, but too aggressive definitely. Because if I had to care of it, any 15 minutes closing, I would have called myself out. And then call for this. I will really anyway want to choose risk reward there. Sounds good. Yeah, no, I like it. Just post stuff in Discord, guys. Just post them, use Discord. If we can get, if we get a nice chat, active, people improving, I like that. If this market wants to stop me out, where is our? Oh, right now we came to the level. Right now we are picking out. This is too much. 5 minutes. That's 5 minutes. I'm not gonna short a 5 minutes candle. Right now came to the level. This level here to the left side. Gonna leave it there. Come on, NQ, you want to grab some highs, do it, and we're out. Chop until I get stopped out. That's mostly it. That's a very aggressive entry here on the 5 minutes, but it's 5 minutes, first hour of the day in New York. Still makes sense. It's the same as yesterday. Yesterday we had on this New York session, we grabbed these lows, so we closed nicely above this level. It was a nice long. You had to hold between these freaking weeks, but it was a nice trade. Another one that was interesting, not sure it came out anything interesting afterwards. Yeah, not really. We grabbed here, we closed, nah, nothing at all. Crazy market right now. How the NQ, can you do something? Just grab the lows, the highs there, and I will call myself out. Come on. Yeah, I see. Yeah, I see what you mean. You like to see higher low, higher high, get informed before having an action. Like you say somewhere here, it starts to give you higher high, higher low. Or even here, just read here is a higher low. If you want to be like aggressive things, like I saw right now in your trade. Flag. and you're out. I mean, out. I wish you were out. That's I wish I was out as well in this trade here. Craziness. Especially look at this beautiful 2-5 minutes there. Yeah, I see your point, because you want to have like a confirmation of like we're out of the selling point. I don't even know how much we should make from this trade. If we eat TP, $226. It's good. Can we get a push, guys? We're closing this 15 minutes candle. We're closing it right now. Can we get a freaking push? At least the 15 minutes candle is closing above as well, so that can make it better for us, but still. Calamite, you're right. Calamite design right now. Calamite time. That's what we are waiting for. Attract this market. Then hammer lower. Hammer it to the lower side and push it. With the magnet right now, it's a 100% win rate trade. You can put your life in it, sell your children, and trade them. If you don't have children, find them in the street and sell them. I'm just joking before I get banned. I'm just joking. Just a play. It's just a joke. It's just a joke, YouTube. Okay, the magnet is not working. Thank you. That's the idea of Redwan. Put black holes like we did last time. Black holes. Black holes. Pull the market up. Can we get a freaking reversal right now here? A nice reversal candle block breaking this freaking triangulation coming in this freaking 5-minute chart there. Any closure below on the 5-minute chart, I'm out, guys. And just to let you know again, if this 5 minutes candle closes below the level, I'm out. And if you're using Apex, guys, remember 80% is there running right now. Code Hamza. You can use it as many times as you want. And $85 lifetime fee. That's my name. My name. Maybe I should not watch. Maybe I should watch somewhere else. Is it going up, guys? I don't know. I have to check the 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. That can be if it does not hold this level. I believe that's gonna happen. Nick, we will come lower, grab some more, and reverse. That's crazy. Will be come back here. What is it? What is it here? I need to show this in every chart. Yeah, what the heck? I see it. Ooh, coming back here. That would be insane. Hour candle there. It would be interesting, but yeah. The pumps feel exhausting. Get me the last pump. We're 1 minute and 40 seconds. This candle is on the level. If we close lower, I'm out, guys. If we close lower than here, we're out. For the moment, we're still in because this is not happening. This is not happening. So we are still in the trade. Okay, right now the buying pressure coming back. This is the moment. This is the moment. Make it happen. reverse this 50 minutes candle to the upside and give us and take us out. Make it happen. Make it pop and dump. Make it pop and dump. 54 seconds, 55 more minutes candle, not closing again below that level. If this candle reverse, this is the new this is the new so this is, what is this? This is the new 50 minutes candle. Would be nice to see it reverse from red to green. That's come on, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. A long trade to hold here. This is as well the 1 hour. Oh my god. This is as well the 1 hour. The 1 hour opening is here. 9 seconds. Ooh. 1 second. We're not closing there. We're not closing there. Let me remove some draws because they give me some problems here to see them. Oh wow, how the heck I cancel right now all these things? Let's see. I'm ready to lose $300, guys. I'm ready to lose $300. We're taking some lows there. We see the moment we're breaking this level. It's gonna be interesting right now if we are grabbing some lows to go higher or we are just skyrocketing to the downside. I will be even managing it if we see a quick downside. We start to see these lows, I will be out probably already. But let's see if it wants to just grab some lows before reversing. But it's like I don't wanna. No, I'm gonna take out everything there at the highs. I don't wanna hold anything during my working session during my working time, just to don't have that things in my head that I have a trade still open and still have to check it. I like the idea of what happens. To be honest, if this 5 minutes candle, oh look at this beautiful 5 minutes candle. If that 5 minutes candle closes like that, I might add to one contract. Give it my 5 contracts somewhere. $350 still. And I should give it an aggressive stop loss below then, if I decide to add on these lows. If this is the 15 minutes reversal, 230. I'm thinking about it. And give it this low, because if this 50 minutes reverse right now, I'm happy to take it. But let's see. We need just freaking these 5 minutes. Don't fake us out. Two more minutes. And we might close the trade. Yeah, we might close the trade. Wow. And 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes. Yeah, that's not nice when it rejects this area I'm using as a support. Definitely, that's not the best things to see. I'm gonna wait for these 5 minutes to see what it wants to do. 46 seconds. I will close probably my position in 20 seconds, guys. 21 seconds. Ready to flatten my position. 5, 4, 3, 2, out. Got stopped out here, guys. Risk. I lost $150, $120 to be honest. Great loss. Great loss. I'm gonna call myself out of this. I do right now that we're closing below this level. This is a good chance he wants to come back lower. And if it does not do it, it does not matter. We're out of the trade. We take the loss. I have to just speak about what. No, this I to be honest, I like this trade. We've taken these lows. We did not come to retest this area on this pullback, but not important, I believe, on one we're just pushing higher. We are closing. We closed above, taking long. It did hold the level, so the level was right. It did hold it for like 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. For 20 minutes, it had that level. It tried a few times to push, never came back strong, came back lower. It is what it is. We accept the loss. You cannot see probably the entire number, but we're down. We're down $6,792. We get back some profit of yesterday, but overall great trading. I believe during this New York session there was not much to do on setups, so I need to be more selective on the fact that the best setup was here during the London session, and I could have just take this one and be done with the day. But during New York I'm here. It's one I trade as well, so I guess we'll look into it more later. I don't like to judge right now, but I believe I've done good enough. Cutting myself here, I do these things probably is gonna go lower. Good things as well in gold. I cut myself out a little bit in advance. Could have been a little bit better. Continuation, great. I did not hold it. Overall, 2 losses that are not full loss. $300 on 2 trades. Usually before would have been $600 on a 2 loss day. Overall, guys, wish you the best. Good luck for today. Love you all, and see you tomorrow, guys. Have a beautiful day. Look at that. Look at how we're gonna avoid the max loss on the trade. Just with the correct reading, we are doing the right things, because that was a 4 contractor. Deserved more, Hamza. Have a nice afternoon. Yeah, it's honestly, great day. I'm gonna say the only things I have to really get better is trusting more the system overall more and more, especially during the London session, because when a setup like this comes during London session, I was beautiful. During a New York session, 5 minutes liquidity grab can still work because we're in a freaking first hour of the market. But it's beautiful, guys. See you tomorrow. Have a beautiful day. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love. Peace and love.